Talking about the new fund offer that Samco Mutual Fund is offering, which is in large and mid-cap investments, what is the strategy? What is the offer? A little more explanation is what we need right now.
Correct. So let me quickly brief you. Large and mid-cap NFO invest in top 250 stocks in India. So our strategy is to identify stocks that are in momentum, because momentum has alpha generating opportunity. So in this 250 space, we will identify stocks that are in momentum. That's point number one. Rest of the industry, everywhere, people are not following momentum as a strategy. When we look at the C.A.R.E, their official document, what is their investment style? So we will be the fund wherein we will use momentum as a strategy to identify stocks. Second, when markets are not in good condition, that's a time when markets are volatile or correcting, we will do hedging so that we protect the downside. So these are the two important ingredient differentiating strategy that we will use in our large and mid cap fund. Currently that is about to open on 5th of June.
5th of June is a very important date for this mutual fund that is going to open by Samco Mutual Fund. Of course, this is to all of you out there. But Umeshji, coming back to you, what is unique in this? As I understand, you mentioned hedging. I would like you to throw more light on that. What is more unique when it comes to this mutual fund?
Yeah, so we will use our proprietary C.A.R.E momentum strategy, which has 4 factors to filter stocks. Number one is cross-sectional momentum, absolute momentum, revenue momentum, and earnings momentum. So these are the 4 factors we will identify stocks. Once these stocks are identified, we will create a portfolio, and so long as the bull market is there, we will keep on holding those stocks. But if market turns, and someday it can, whether it is a beginning of a bear market or a beginning of a correction, or market turns volatile, that's the time we will hedge our portfolio. So currently in industry, people are not hedging. What we have seen in last 10 years of data when we check the portfolio. So because we are following momentum as a strategy, which no other players are following, by default we will also have to hedge, because momentum has got huge variations, but at the same time, if the stock can run up fast, also it can correct or fall equally fast, and therefore momentum as a strategy requires hedging, which we will do. So this is what uniquely that we will do in our fund that we are going to launch.
Amazing, excellent. So it will be correct to say this, that the more people want to take risks when it comes to momentum and to put their money in those kind of momentum investments, it is very imperative for them to have a safety net called hedging, so that even if it drops, there is a certain amount of safety that a person has while the person has invested. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Correct.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.